I'm Dan from Firefly Tech, and in this video we're going to show you how to set up calendar integration on your smart Do Not Disturb signs. Now the first thing you're going to need is your Do Not Disturb sign, and you're going to need to have powered it up, as we have shown in a previous video which you can check out either on our website or on our YouTube channel. Now for the sake of this video we are going to be using a Do Not Disturb Modern, but the method is exactly the same if you are using the smart version of the Do Not Disturb Original. So we're going to get started. Now as you can see, I've already taken the back off of this Do Not Disturb, and what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to check that the green light, there is a green light in this circuit next to a big button. You're going to want to make sure that that is flashing green. That means that your sign is ready and it is turned on, it is powered on, it is working. If that green light is not flashing, first, change the batteries. There might be a dead battery in there, which is meaning that the sign isn't working. If that still doesn't fix the problem, there may be something wrong with the circuit. Get in touch with our people at Firefly Tech, and one of them will sort you out through our troubleshooting process. But in this case, our circuit is working, the little green LED is flashing, so we are ready to move on to the next step. You're going to want to download the EWeLink app. Now this app is going to let you interface with your sign via your Wi-Fi. So the first thing you want to do is there is going to be a big blue button in the middle of the screen that says Add. It says no devices found, no devices yet, Add. So you click Add Device. Now scroll down to the bottom of the screen and there's a little button that says Compatible Mode. Press that and now you're ready to get started. So take your Do Not Disturb sign and the little button next to the LED, you're going to hold it down for 7 seconds until it starts flashing quickly but randomly. Okay, so mine is now flashing at random intervals, but it's doing it quickly. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to hold it down for a further 7 seconds until it starts flashing quickly but at regular intervals. Okay, so mine is now flashing very fast but at a regular pace. This means your device is now in compatibility mode. So you're going to want to now return to the app and click Next. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to log into your home Wi-Fi. So from the options, select whichever Wi-Fi applies to you. I've selected mine, and enter the password. As so. Once you've done that, click Next, and you're going to want to stay on your phone and you want to go to Settings, specifically Wi-Fi. There will now be an option in your Wi-Fi to connect to this sign. Now it'll be listed as ITEAD dash and then a series of numbers which is unique to that Do Not Disturb sign. So mine is here, so I'm going to click on that and I am now connected to my sign. I now want to return to the EWeLink app and click Next, and then you will receive a prompt. Now the app is pairing with your Do Not Disturb sign. Now this may take up to 3 minutes, so simply sit back and wait. Now that took 20 seconds, so that was pretty fast. So you want to stay with the phone in case there's any problems. If you do have problems, try getting closer to your router, make sure you've entered the correct password and signed into the right network, and that your device was in compatibility mode, so it was flashing green. But in any case, do just try again, and if you have repeated problems, do get in touch with us at Firefly Tech. Device has now been added successfully. You can now rename it. I'm going to rename mine. I'm going to call it Do Not Disturb. And with that, you are done. Your device should now be connected to the app. A good way to test this is simply click on the prompt, whatever you've named it, in your Home tab, and click the power button to turn it on and off. And with that, you're good to go. You've synced your sign with your EWeLink app. You can now control this sign directly from your phone. If you want to go one step further, check out this video here on how to set up calendar integration for the final step before you can enjoy a perfectly seamlessly uninterrupted working life. Thanks, see you next time.